Kind of looks like me. Talk about packing light, huh? 8.2 kilos for 2 weeks on a bike. Not bad.
All the camera gear. And laptop and a whole bunch of other crap.
So much for packing light.
Thank you. Yeah, man, let's go.
So we've just arrived in Delhi. Now we're about to head off on a trip with Nevermind Adventure through Rajasthan. This is my first time as a tour leader for Rajasthan. I've been through the area 3 times in the past, shooting content for them.
We're heading to Old Delhi. Nevermind stay in the same hotel for most of the Indian tours. When you first arrive in Delhi, we head to Hotel Tara Palace. So it's near the Red Fort, which is actually a really nice area to go do some touristy stuff. I remember the first time we came over, we had the drone, and like they'd never seen drones before, so it was quite a spectacle. Staff came out watching us fly it over, and they'd never really seen the city from that perspective, so they always remember us because of that, which is pretty fucking rad. There's some really rad markets around this area as well. There's heaps of little alleyways, and each little alleyway, the entire length, has got an entire theme. So there's like your jewelry section or your electronics section. There's a massive camera one around here as well. It's just really bizarre to see it just in the middle of nowhere. But really good shopping around here, and it's really cheap as well, and pretty good quality stuff. Yeah, finally! Good driving.
Very bad. Driver.
Good driver.
Hello sir, good evening. How are you?
Hey, how are you?
Fine sir, thank you.
I feel like we've been traveling for a long time. Oh, we're not sharing a queen size like normal.
Soon enough.
That like smog and mist is a dream for nighttime camera shots. Kind of cold.
It wouldn't be India if it wasn't.
A warm beer. Cheers, mate. You can't find it. So we definitely found the classiest spice rum at duty free today. Apparently it supports tiger conservation here in India. Let's give it a shot. This is actually like my 4th one because Jake's fucked up every take, so he's like, do it again, do it again. I think it's just a ruse to get me drunk. It gets better. It's very vanilla-y, but burns like a motherfucker. Feels nice.
Delhi is the capital of India. It's one of the most populated cities in the world, with a population of around 28 million people as of 2018. Now, you just don't get a sense of how many people that is until you actually visit Delhi for yourself. One thing you'll notice about Delhi as soon as you arrive is the incredible noise of all the cars, horns and people everywhere. It fucking blows my mind every time I come here how noisy it is. And you don't realize how noisy it is until you leave the city.
So apparently this is a really awesome little coffee roaster in West End Marg. So it's about 16 kilometres from here, so we're going to grab a tuk-tuk and head on over and check it out. So we went to Vodafone and got some local prepaid SIM cards. Really hot tip, they're only about 500 rupee, and you have to get a passport photo before you go in. So go get a passport photo, go into Vodafone, you get like a gig of data and unlimited calls for 500 rupees, which is about 10 Australian dollars. So it's definitely worth doing it, so you can use your GPS and everything while you're out. So we're now on a rickshaw, we're heading down to South Delhi to check out this coffee shop that we were told we have to go visit, and hopefully we can find an AeroPress, because I left mine at home and I would really love a good coffee while we're in Rajasthan, because it's impossible to find out there. South Delhi, here we come.
Cool, thank you.
We did it. We actually found an AeroPress here in India. It took us about a 1.5 hour round trip to South Delhi, but we got one. So we're sorted for Rajasthan. It's okay, I'll drive. You sit there.
Yes.
I'll drive.
No drive.
No. I'm just trying to help.
So we're heading back to Tara Palace. Now we're about to meet the crew that we're about to take on this amazing adventure through Rajasthan. I haven't met any of these guys yet, and they're all from Victoria, my hometown. So tonight it's family dinner time and our first introduction to the crew.
Did the girls tell you that sort of stuff though? If I asked them.
First family dinner done. We're still in Old Delhi. We're about to hit the overnight train to Jodhpur.
Naeem is our local tour guide here in India. I've met him and we hung out about 6 times on different tours now. He is one of the most passionate guides you'll ever meet, and I absolutely love spending time with him on these tours. Sometimes shit happens here in India. Jake was a little bit of a last-minute addition to our trip, and Naeem just happened to forget to buy Jake a ticket for the overnight train to Jodhpur.
All good?
All good.
Now, these trains are packed, so sometimes it can be pretty difficult to get a seat. So we're just going to buy a general admission ticket and just hope for the best.
It's not our train. We're running on Indian time here, mate. Yeah. So it'll arrive when it arrives, and it'll leave when it leaves.
I was what? Annoying you?
No, but he's right.
Go on, you're gonna get it.
No, I'm right there.
Come on.
No,
Come on, peer pressure. Come on. What are you, a wuss? After you get past the burn, it's quite tasty. No wash. So we've got about a 12-hour journey ahead of us on some super comfy first-class beds. We got the pillow menu. We each selected the pillow that we'd like. I went a nice polyester blend. We will see you guys tomorrow in Jodhpur.